Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to shop for electronics on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then you need to use the searching bar that is located at the top of your screen. Right here, and here you need to type in the electronics you are looking for. For example, let's type laptop and press search button. So also what's important to mention that you need to apply some filters. And to do that, you need to tap the filter icon that is located in the upper left corner of your screen. And here you can refine the results by choosing the condition of the electronics that you want to buy. So it can be new, open box. So here are many options you can choose from. And also you can set the price that you are willing to spend on that electronics, and also you can set some other options, so screen size, processor, and also about shipping. So shipping options, it could be free international shipping. So here, as you can see, here are the many options to choose from, starting with the operating system and ending with type of laptop. So yeah, using these filters is really useful. And what else? For example, I want to buy this laptop, and you want to tap on the seller's username to view the feedback score and ratings. So here you see that this seller has 99.3% positive feedback. So that's a very good result. And here you can see all the feedbacks from other buyers, and you can also read them. Yeah. And also you need to pay attention to return policy. If the returning of the item, if something is wrong with the item when you receive it, and you need to return it, so pay attention to return policy, whether seller accepts returns. And yeah, I think that's how you can shop for electronics on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.